Hi and welcome to Basement Project. This time not from my basement but from the back of my van. I bought the van to convert it into a camper. The main problem, the stupidity from previous owners and mechanics. Some idiot created a lot of holes and rust because he used screws instead of glue to mount a wooden floor in the car. But this gives me the opportunity to show you how to get rid of such a problem without a welder. The first step is to get rid of all the burrs and sharp edges the screws created. For this I'm using an angle grinder. Don't grind away too much material, just the edges. Then I'm using a center punch to form the material back. You want kind of a small crater around the hole. I lost the video footage, but I used a cordless drill and a wire brush to get rid of the paint around the hole. To close the holes I'm using a big soldering iron and tin for steel. The soldering iron belonged to my grandfather and is probably older than me. You can't use a normal soldering iron for soldering wires, you need a really powerful one. I think mine has about 500 watt. You need a flux. Otherwise the tin won't connect to the steel. In my case the flux is already inside the wire. And then you just melt the tin inside and around the hole. After it cooled down completely, I'm using an angle grinder to create an even surface. The wire brush gets rid of the flux and the dirt in this area. The first hole is finished, so only a few dozens to go. Those are the screws I removed from the floor, but a lot of them just snapped and couldn't be removed. I will just grind them even with the surface. Here is a bigger hole. It's too big to just close it with tin. In this case, you cut out a small piece of metal and put it over the hole, like a patch. Of course, all the spots get sealed from both sides. I will do that after the area is completely finished. But I've got a few areas where soldering isn't an option. That's it for this video. Bye and thanks for watching.